Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. You guys are probably wondering, or maybe not, my background is different. Yes, that is because I recently moved, so I'm in a new apartment now, and that means I will be uploading more videos because I'm not as crazy busy as I was before. So I'll definitely make time to upload some more and give you guys some more content. In the meantime, I'm just doing a quick intro for my skincare video. I'm not sure why, but the voiceover that I did not seem to be working, so here I am doing a quick intro. I do show you guys what I use anyway, so you will see throughout the video. Please guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. It's a cheap drugstore routine that I've currently been working with. It's working well for me. I have incorporated a few new products, but I will do a new updated one shortly because I am planning to get some new drugstore products in. Yay, yay, yay. Skincare is very important, especially if you wear makeup as regularly as I do. So yes, anyways, I'll stop blabbering. I'll let you guys watch the video. Again, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do subscribe so you don't miss out any of my other videos. Enjoy. Bye.